welcome to this class. In this video, we shall discuss about aldol style disconnection with N and O in a 1-3 relationship. So what is this? Let us see that. So let us, with example, you will get to know. Right, this is also very easy. You can see that. See here. Here OH is there, functional group, and here NH2 group is there. So here, see here, this carbon gets 1, 2, 3. Every time whenever I have written 1, 2, 3, you should see that I have written near to that functional group will be there. That carbon will get 1. Otherwise, carbonyl carbon is there, then I'll give 1 to that. Right, that things you should observe. So see here, what I'll do, functional group interconversion I will do. So what is this functional group interconversion? Let us see that. See here, it will convert like this. Here NH2 group is there, right? So that I will convert it to CN group. Other thing remained as it is. See here, 1, 2, 3. NH2 group was there here. That I directly converted. See here, this CH2 NH2 group I directly converted to CN. Why I converted, how I converted, that when I write the reaction you will get to know. So what are the things you need to remember? See here, these things you need to remember. See here, sometimes what I did, for example, like this compound is there, CH2R, CH2R, and this is H. So this is amine. So I converted amine in functional group conversion. I converted it into amide, and those reactions also we have seen. See here, like this I have converted it into amide. These reactions you have seen, right? So similarly, one more, this same amine I have converted into functional group transformation. Imines I have converted like this. Imines, right? These things you have observed, right? So similarly, I used to convert this alkene into alkyne in functional group transformation, followed by retrosynthesis everywhere. Here what I have converted, I have converted amine into cyanide, CN, right? This conversion, but I convert only this when there is 1-3 relationships here, 1, 2, 3. In this case only I will convert this amine into CN. You should not get confused. Sir, you have converted amine to amide, amine to imines, so many things, right? But whenever there is 1-3 relationship, then only I will convert amine to cyanide. That thing you remember. Further I will make one more. There also I will tell you. No need to confuse, right? So you got it till now. Next what I will do, see here, with black pen I am writing. This arrow represent I am writing about retro only. Retro. So black pen and this arrow, you need to get it, right? Further what I will do, see here what happens, see 1, 2, 3 is there. Here I can break like this. Where should I break? I can break here, right? I can break here. Why I will break only here? You may ask, sir, you can break here also, right? So I won't break there. I will break only the arrow I have shown 1, 2. Between 1 to carbon I will break, right? So why I have broken there only, you will get to know when I write the reaction. So how it will break? R, directly I have write aldehyde, I will get here, plus here CN will be there, CH2R. This thing I will get. So you have asked me why you have broken only at 1, 2 carbon, right? So that I will explain in this reaction. See, reaction which I am writing. So while writing reaction, the one which is lastly broken in retrosynthesis should be taken first, right? So this is the thing. See here, this hydrogen will be acidic. Why it is acidic? Because see, the same compound I can write like this, H C triple bond N. Instead of writing CN, C triple bond N I can write. So what happened, this, if I remove this H, this will be acidic. If it goes with H plus, here this carbon gets negative charge. That negative charge will be stabilized by this CN group, cyanide group, right? Because of which this bond, this carbon will be acidic. So we can remove. Once I remove, I can show that negative charge here on this carbon. Further I can do react here, right? So if I do the reaction, I'll get this product. R here, instead of O minus, how H comes, that thing you know, right? Same R here and CN, right? So to get this product, see here, this is same as this one. So to get the same product, I need to break here only at 1 2 carbon. If I break somewhere else, we won't get that, right? So this is the chemistry. That thing, if you understand, then it is clear. The next is to get this target molecule. So this is target molecule, starting molecule, which I have started with. So to get that, see here, I have here CN. I need to get CH2NH2. Just I will add reducing agent. What kind of reducing agent? I will add LiAlH4, right? LiAlH4 reducing agent. Then what it will do, it will reduce that cyanide CN to CH2NH2, right? So this is my target molecule. So here we call it as product. I hope you got it, how I got it. So here, whenever there is 1 2 3 relation between two functional group, you need, first you need to convert this into CN. Then you need to break here only. Why here? Because that CN, this carbon will be acidic. That thing I have explained in the above reaction. That thing you can do, right? I hope you got it. Next, let us see one more example, second one. As we solve examples, you will get to know clearly, right? So second one. So what I will do, just I will take HO, and here R is there, and here NH2, right? I hope you are getting. So see here, NH2 is there, so I'll just convert it into functional group interconversion. So I'm doing reduction. So HO R, just C N it will form, right? Further I can break here. So if I break here, that is 1 2 disconnection. Here we call it as 1 2 disconnection, right? So what I will get, what I think I have wrote on one, yeah, just what I will get, see, R, directly I can write aldehyde, right, plus Cn minus, because this aldehyde, how it got, see here, this carbon gets positive charge, here OH group will be there, right? So I have broken like this, H plus and Cn minus, because the equivalent reagent we have Cn minus, I can use KCN equivalent, because K plus Cn minus is there. So both are equivalent reagent. So this is synthum. So this is equivalent reagent, right? Synthon is there and it is equivalent reagent. Here I have told, directly we need to write like this only. No need to get problem, right? So we can split like this. So the reaction, I hope you will get, you will write yourself. So how to write reaction? First you need to take these two, R, CO aldehyde and Cn minus. Then you can do the reaction. These things you can write by yourself. So OH will come here. So here Cn. Further you will reduce by using LiAlH4. Then you will convert it into CH2 NH2. So this is the target molecule. This is same, right? Both are same, right? I hope you got it. Next, let us see one more example, third one, right? So this is also very simple, easy one. OME. Whenever I start writing with black pen, you please understand that I'm explaining about retrosynthesis, right? So this they have given. So what I'll do, retrosynthesis. What first see here, this methyl group and this methyl group, I'll dissociate both simultaneously. So it is CN disconnection, right? So what I'll get this compound MEO. Oh, I hope everything you should keep same as it is. And here NH2. And those things, what happened? CH3I. 2 molecules of CH3I you can write, because if this do SN2 reaction, this iodine will leave the system and we will get the same N methylation we can do, right? So these things I will show you when I will write reaction. But now just we are doing retrosynthesis, that we shall concentrate on that, right? So further here, see here, this CH2 NH2 is there, I can convert, C, both are in 1 3 relation, 1 2 3. So I will convert that into CN group now. Whenever there is one relation between NH2 and OH, I'll just convert it into C triple bond N. See here I have converted. I can write C triple bond N, or simply I can write Cn. You should not get confused. Right. Further dissociation. I have told here only you can dissociate, because this proton will be acidic. Once I will dissociate, you will get to know. See here. The things which I have explained above, you should not forget. Right. Then only you can see here. Cn. This proton will be acidic. Right. So we will dissociate there only. And here what happens? We will get a ketone. Right. Further, can we dissociate here? See here. Here I can't. Here if I dissociate, I can do retrosynthesis here also. So next step is retrosynthesis. I can dissociate like this. OMe here. Here plus charge comes and Cn minus charge comes. So the equivalent reagent is KCN. For this equivalent reagent, just remove H plus, sorry, this plus, and just add Cl or Br, leaving group. Right. So while writing reaction, I have told take these two things only and write the reaction. So I will write here only. Let me write reaction. Right. So what I will do, I will take those two things, OMe here, and here CH2Br, and here Cn minus is there. It came from KCl. So SN2 reaction, simple SN2. I will get this product, OMe as usual, CH2 Cn. Further I will reduce. These steps you should remember, because I have explained all those things. OMe CH2 NH2 it became. Right. So reducing agent, what I will add, sorry, this is not the bond, LiLH4 I will add. I hope you are getting it. Right. Further, what is there? I have to add one ketone group. See here, this ketone group I have to add. Right. Ketone group. So to this, if I add, see here, the problem with that is, if I add ketone group here, see here, what I have done the mistake, you will get to know. This NH2 and OH will react. So I should not reduce here. So this step is wrong for me. So what I have to do, first I will add ketone here. Initially I need to add ketone, because I didn't follow that retrosynthesis method. Here first we will get these two product. Then we need to reduce here, because here I have done functional group interconversion. Right. So if we do ulta, like if we take one step initially only, then these things happens. Right. So we should analyze all those things. So first I will add ketone. So what happens? OMe is there. So Cn here, and I will get this product OH. Now I can reduce. So you came to know how we make mistake in exams also. Right. I hope now it is clear. Cn, now it becomes reduction, no? CH2 NH2 it will become, by adding reducing agent like LiEl H4, and here other things remains as it is. Whether this is it the same which we are started with? Yeah, this is the same thing. We got it. So here we call it as target molecule, but here we call it as product, because in reaction we call it as reactant and product. Whereas in retrosynthesis, I have told intermediate or synthons and other things like that. Right. I hope you are done with this example. So what we were discussing this, where it is, aldol style disconnection with N and O in a 1-3 relationship. So this is type A. I have got type B also. Right, that thing you understand. So here what I have done, whenever there is 1-3 relation, let me take, see here, 1 2 3 1-3 relation, we convert this amine into cyanide. Otherwise, in previous cases we used to convert this amine into amide, or sometimes amine into enamines we used to convert, right? But here one more possibility is there. When there is 1-3 connection, I will take the same example which I have taken now. See here, this one, R OH is there. Let me zoom it, or otherwise I will write it clearly. Right. So let us zoom it and let us light slowly. So same example I will take, R OH is there, and CH2, CHNR2, and here simple R. So see, here you can observe this is secondary amine, and here this OH group is there, 1 2 3. Here also 1 3 relation is there. One more example, let me take OH NH2. I will take here R, and here also R. Here also 1 2 3, but this is primary amine. The above one is not secondary, it is tertiary amine. Sorry for the wrong thing, right? So this is tertiary amine and this is primary amine. So in case of tertiary amine, we go through Mannich reaction. Here we convert into Mannich substance. How we will convert that thing I will explain. So here we go through Mannich reaction. But here when it is primary, I have told functional group interconversion, we convert it into cyanide by adding iridium here, C triple bond N. I will convert it into cyanide, right? But here we can't convert it into cyanide. We do some Mannich reaction kind of reaction. That thing, when I explain the reaction, you will get to know. So it is also, we call here also functional group interconversion. Just right, we get this product. Like this we will do, right? So secondary amine, whenever it is there, you will get to know. First what we'll do, this OH is there, right? That we do functional group interconversion and we convert it into ketone group like this. See here, I have converted NR2, right? Then we do Mannich reaction. What Mannich reaction? We remove this compound, whole compound we remove. If we remove, what we'll get? See here, R, C double bond O, CH2R. So this here one proton comes. How we will remove? Here we will be minus. Instead of writing minus, we will remove that minus and we will put one H, right? Like this. That minus charge will be removed. And instead of writing plus here, see here, CH2 like NR2 plus it will be, right? Instead of writing all these things, we can write this is also equivalent to reagent like CH2O plus NHR2. How we got these thing, everything I will write now. If I write reaction, you will get to know. See, this is reaction. I hope you got till now, you got, right? So my aim is this one we have discussed. So now I am not going to discuss this. So I'll start with this. I'll go back and I should get this target molecule, right? Let us see that how I will get. So see here, secondary amine I will take NR2 and one hydrogen is there, one lone pair is there, and this is what HCOH, formaldehyde. So what happens? Reaction goes. So this is nothing but Mannich reaction, we call it as. You have studied these things, but you will forget. Even I have made videos, you can watch there, right? So this is Mannich reaction, right? So here CH2 and R. Here lone pair is there. As soon as it gives the lone pair, this OH will go as water, right? So what will get? R2N, CH2 will be there, double bond will get, and nitrogen get positive. This is called Mannich reagent. Mannich reagent. Should I write? Reagent. I hope you got it till now, right? This Mannich reagent, if we add this thing, see here, which I have shown here, right? So what happened? R is there, CO, R. So this proton will be acidic. So in presence of mild base, this proton will be taken. Once it takes, here negative charge comes on this carbon. That will be stabilized by that electron withdrawing group. But you know how it will stabilize everything. So I'll directly show this negative charge. Then it will react to this carbon. Then that electron density shifts on nitrogen. You may ask, sir, nitrogen is having positive charge. Why didn't it react directly to the nitrogen? The reason is nitrogen can have only 3 bonds, right? But here it has got, see here, already it has got 4 bonds now. So it will react to carbon so that nitrogen gets its lone pair back and again it will get 3 bonds. So now I am writing reaction, right? So I hope you got it. So what happens here? R as it is, CH2 and again NR2. See here, nitrogen is having three bonds, one here and two are three bonds, and it has got lone pair back. Whether we got the same starting material, yes, we got same. So here we call it as product, but here we call it as target molecule in retrosynthesis, right? I hope whenever there is 1-3 relationship, then you need to convert it into cyanide. If the nitrogen is tertiary, then you need to go for this one, Mannich reaction. I hope you got it, right? If I write second example, it will be clear to you, right? It will become clear for you, right? The second one, so it is also very easy and interesting one, right? So here chlorine is there, and here other things are as it is, OH. First you need to check whether it is in 1-3 relation or not. So 1-2-3 relation is there. Further, whether it is primary or tertiary, since it is tertiary amine. So what we will do, we will disconnect in such a way that first we will convert. See here they have done little different. If I write the reaction, you will get to know. See here, just CH2 MgBr, MgCl we can take, right? So what they have done is simply they have disconnected here. So here negative charge comes and positive charge comes there. Where? Here, oxygen. Instead of writing all that positive charge, I have told we can write directly like this. Other things remains as it is, NMe2, right? So since it is secondary amine, I have told, sorry, tertiary amine, so I have told we can remove this compound, right? So Mannich reagent we can form. So directly I will write this. So this proton will be there, and Mannich reagent what is there, I can write like this, NHMe2 in presence of formaldehyde, HCHO. I can write like this also, or HCOH, I can write like this also. Sometimes they will write H2CO. All these are equivalent only, right? Or sometimes writing all these reagent, we can directly write this Mannich intermediate, that is Mannich reagent I called it, right? CH2 double bond NR2 plus. This also if you write, no problem. Then we add base, here reaction happens, everything same thing. So let me write the reaction. So this is retrosynthesis. Retro, right? I explained about retro, how the reaction, but now I'll write reaction. I forgot to use that black pen there. No problem, sometimes it happens, right? So reaction, simply see here, last step what all I got, I'll start with them only. I got these things. So this proton will be acidic, right? Further I will add that reagent, CH2 double bond NR2 plus NR2. Here R will be methyl, just you put methyl, then here reaction happens, this goes, these are things I have discussed. So I'll write directly CH2 NR2, right? Further I need to add a Grignard reagent, so I'll add this Grignard reagent, and negative charge will be there, right? So this will react to this, I hope you are getting. Then I will get the target molecule back. So my target molecule will be this one, chlorine will be there, it has attacked here, right? With this carbon it has attacked here, so this carbon had attached here, so here it comes OH, other things here, methyl group is there as usual, and again one more methyl and CH2 NMe2, right? So this is the target molecule which we have started with. Here we call it as product, right? See, both are same, I hope you got it, right? So third reaction is there, can you do by yourself? I'll write the things, let me see whether if it is tough I'll complete it, otherwise I will leave it to you. CH2 NMe2, right? So here CO bond is ether, this ether bond is the right heteroatom carbon bond, this bond will be cleared first, ether, right? So what we will get, sorry, so what we will get, OMe OH, right? So here we will get pH. Instead of Cl, I'll write, instead of writing plus charge, I'll write Cl Me2. Further I will do interconversion. This one I will do interconversion. So what I will do, pH double bond O, CH2 N Me2. What is this? This is nothing but functional group interconversion. So what happened then, I will dissociate. See here, this is tertiary. So here also 1 2 3 relation is there, right? I can disconnect. So 1 3 disconnection I will do, right? So what I will get, pH CO CH3 ketone I will get. Here I will remove this thing and simply I will write CH2O plus HNMe2. I hope you got it, right? So the reaction same way you can do, you will get the back. I hope you can do the reaction, right? Nothing is there. This step you can do, you will get to this reaction. If I want to write till this, you will get, right? Functional group conversion I have done from here to here. I need to convert this to this thing. What I will do, first I will add reducing agent. See, this is what ketone. If I add NaBH4, it will convert it into secondary alcohol, correct? Further, next step what I will do, I will add SOCl2. That alcohol will be removed by SOCl2 and chlorine will be placed. So I will get chlorine here. Further, I will react these two, this one, and I will get the target molecule. I hope you will write by yourself, right? So same thing. So reaction you can write by yourself. In retrosynthesis, first you need to write that thing, then followed by retro arrow, everything you need to tell, and then finally you should write the reaction. That reaction you try yourself. I have told everything, just only you need to write them, right? So this is very interesting. You can see this kind of example. This is not that 1-3 relation, this is a little different reaction, but I felt like to take, so I have taken here. So here CH2 group is there. This structure, I hope you got it. It is like this. This structure is here CH2 group, same structure I have drawn here, right? So what happened, first I will break this bond, here bond and this bond, that is this bond and this bond I will break. So what I will get, see here, simply I will get like this. CH2, is it correct? CH2OH, and here also CH2OH, and other things remains as it is, right? So how I broke, along with that I got this thing, right? If I react the same thing, whether I'll get or not, yeah, I will get the same back. During reaction, if you write the reaction, you will get to know. I'll show you the reaction, then you will get to know. Then I will do functional group interconversion. What I will do, I will convert this alcohol into esters. I have told esters will be stable form, and some reactions also we have seen those things. So I have taken this example, right? So what I will do, I will convert it into esters, COOET or COME, some anything you can take, right? And here other things as it is, right? I hope you got it. Further, again retrosynthesis I can do. See here, this proton, right? Here I can do disconnection, right? Because why I can do here only, see here, 1 2 3 Michael type reaction we can do here. See here, if I disconnect, you will get here, get to this COME, COME, and here double bond. If I put, see, hydrogen, Michael addition reaction I can do, and I can get that product back, right? So further it can be dissociate. I have told, whenever there is alpha beta unsaturation, you should directly disconnect like this. These things also I have explained. So I took this example. It is little complicated it looks, but it is easy. What all the things we have studied, those things are there. COOMe, and here also COOMe, and these are the final product, right? If I do the reaction, you will get to know, see how the reaction happens, everything we shall see now. So see reaction now. I will take those things only which are lastly glued, that is disconnected. So aldehyde I have got here, and here COOMe, COOMe, and here proton. This proton will be in presence of base. That proton is acidic because of electron withdrawing group. So what happens? This base will take that, so this carbon gets negative charge. I'll show directly that one. So negative charge came. That negative charge will be stabilized by the electron withdrawing group. Further, it will react like this. So I'll get this product. These reactions you have studied, right? So directly I will write the product. So E1CB reaction, OH and H will eliminate add water molecule, and I have told we will get a unsaturation, right? So that is nothing but like same as aldol condensation. Further, what is there? I have to add a secondary amine. So what happens? It will react like Michael addition. These things we have studied. Michael addition type of reaction also we have seen, right? So let us see that. So here NMe and other things as it is. Sorry, COMe, here also COMe, here also COMe. I have simply written ET as it is, right? COMe. Further, what I have to do? See here, functional group conversion, I have to convert it into alcohols. So what we know? We can convert esters into alcohols by adding what? LiAlH4. Right, just I will add those things. I'll again get back them. So CH2OH and CH2OH. To this, if I add simply this one, what is this? Formaldehyde. This OH will react, again this OH will react. I hope you know the mechanism. Should I write? Let me write here. First I'll write with one OH. OH, it will become CH2OH. Right. Further, whenever this reacts, this OH will leave the system as water molecule, and we'll get the product which is our target molecule. Right, this was the target molecule. We started with that only, right? We have glued first here, right? Further, we transformation we did, functional group transformation here. We converted alcohol into that, right? Then we splitted this one by Michael addition, right? Everything the same as we go back side. I hope you got it everything, right? In next class, let us see few more things. Till then, take care.